Hi, I'm John Goodrham and I'm CFO and Director at Cooldrive. Cooldrive provides auto parts to the garages right around the country. So when you take your vehicle in to have it repaired, we're likely to be supplying the parts to your garage. Without a doubt, the importance of ensuring that your vehicles are constantly maintained, they've got to be in tip-top condition, making sure that you've got the confidence that they're being looked after. That's what we get from GMG. My own relationship with GMG started almost 10 years ago when I joined Cooldrive, and I guess one of the first things you do when you start in a new job is you look for a good coffee shop and you look for somewhere where you can get your car serviced easily. So I talked to some of the guys here and the first name that came out was GMG, and they've been looking after my cars ever since. When your business revolves around being able to service your customer and the reliability, when you say a part's going to be there, you need to make sure your part is there. From my point of view, trust is one of the big components in the relationship, and I think the trust that you give your barber who's looking after your hair, the trust that you give your mechanic who's looking after your car, these are things that I think everyone can really relate to. And for me, the trust that we have with GMG means that Cooldrive has the confidence that the vehicles are going to run, they're going to run as they should, and when they need looking after, we know exactly where to take them.